Hi, I'm Nancy, and I am excited to tell you that I am excited about Jernigan Nutraceuticals and grateful. A friend told me about them, someone I've known 20 years, highly respect, and in March she told me about this and I didn't hesitate a second. I ordered Virogen and Yeast Plus to help me protect myself during this pandemic. Every time I take them, I feel like I'm doing something important for my body, for my health, for my well-being. Not to mention the fact that the packaging is gorgeous. And I also spoke with the company, and I have allergies, seasonal allergies, and I've been taking Allermac for almost 2 months, and I've barely experienced any seasonal allergies. So I trust in these products. Dr. Sarah has been there for a fair while, and they are beautiful. They are made with love, and I think they're terrific. So thank you for taking my testimonial, and have a beautiful day and stay well.